Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to slow down or how to speed up your video clip on a CapCut application. The first thing we have to do is just go open our CapCut application, and after we open it, now we just need to open the project that we want to control the speed from. And here I got the normal speed for my video, and the next thing we need to do is just try to make them move in a fast way or speed up the speed. To speed up the video, you just need to go click the clip, and after that will pop up the features down here. The second one will be pop up the speed tool, so you just need to go click them. And there will be two options on the CapCut. There will be a normal and curve. So in the normal, we'll have the consistent speed for whole video clip, but then for the curve you can adjusting the speed for every point on the video clip. So here I would like to make the constant one, so go click the normal, and to speed up you just need to simply drag this point into the right side into the speeds that already provided by the CapCut. So let's say I would like to make like 5 times faster, go into the 5 time and go click this checklist button, and here is the result for the speed upping the video clip. From 1 minute video it's become like 12 seconds only. And the next thing is the slowing down. It's just quite the same. Go back, click the clip, and go with the speed again, go visit the normal, and you can just drag this into the left side to make it slower. Let's say I would like to make it like 0.6, and then you just need to go click this checklist button, and here is the result. So that is the way how to speed up and slowing down your video clip on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.